Welcome back to the channel, Rush Fam. Here with another driving video. So we are in New Kingston. We'll be heading on to Dominica Drive shortly. So we're just doing a New Kingston drive for you guys. So stay tuned for that. So we're now on Dominica Drive. So a lot of corporate entities on Dominica Drive. On the left we have the New Kingston Drive-In Theatre. So like J. Ray and Nephew, Guardian Group, Sagicor Bank. All those companies are on the right. We also have a ministry building. Not sure if they're relocated as yet. But I think one of the government ministries was also on the right as well. To the left is the New Kingston Business Center. They did a massive expansion and renovation. They're still not finished yet, so they're still working on it. Alright guys, so remember to subscribe if you're new, or if you watch a few videos and haven't subscribed as yet, join the family. Subscribe. It's completely free. So we have First Irish Credit Union on the left. Other companies like Chancellor Insurance Agency, Ends Ultimate Restaurant, Exit 21. So those are some of the places on Dominica Drive. And we have KFC on the right. There's always a line at KFC. Can't run from it. Remember to leave a comment as well, guys. Let me know what you think about the video. And remember to share as well. I need to get something at the gas station. Let me see if I find any parking slots. China Garden restaurant in front of us. Very popular Chinese restaurant here in New Kingston. Alright guys, give me a second. Alright guys, so we are back. Let's head on back to our New Kingston Drive. So we'll be going on to Knutsford Boulevard. Alright, so we have the New Kingston Police Post on the top right. Alright guys, so we're on Knutsford Boulevard. Lots of different restaurants. Burger King, Island Grill. We passed KFC earlier. We have Juicy Beef, Pizza Hut. Then we have the Porsche dealership on the left and Starbucks on the right. And then a lot of other corporate entities. Victoria Mutual, CIBC. A lot of BPOs as well. So this is Knutsford Boulevard, New Kingston. This stoplight is not working. And then we have Jps Headquarters coming up on the left. Oh, so a building we featured recently. It's still under construction, but they have put on a lot more paint. They have a sign on it now. So NCB and Scotia on either side. So we're gonna go back around so we can capture that building, guys. I did a recent drone video of it. so we're gonna just give you guys an update. I think a name is now on it, probably it's the developer. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so let's step on out. Look at the building which is beside Tasty Restaurant, JMB, and also the Factories Corporation of Jamaica. Alright guys, so we're seeing where that building is taking shape. It's almost finished and the windows are going in, painting is in, so it's looking nice. It's very narrow, but it has a good length. I was advised that it's a BPO, a call center, so let's see. But yes guys, so a quick drive through New Kingston. I know I stayed mainly on the main areas like Knutsford Boulevard, that's where we're on right now. We're just showing you around the area as usual, keeping you guys updated as usual. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, remember to subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this new building, and I'll put the link in the comments for the drone video I did. I'm just showing some aerial shots of the new development as well. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on another video.